Hey there, and welcome to Violet Crown Perspective. I'm Jake Holmes, the guy behind Violet Crown Aerial, and this is our first episode. So thanks for tuning in. Um, this podcast, it's going to be all about drones, construction, the magic of aerial imagery, especially right here in Austin, Texas. Whether you're in the industry or just curious what we do, I promise you're gonna learn something new and hopefully have a little fun along the way. With this being the first episode, I'm gonna probably release this audio only. I'm gonna see how long I want to do that, but I know eventually I want to switch to a video podcast, start bringing on some guests, things like that. But this is my way of just kicking it off. So I guess let's kick things off. I'll tell you a little bit about who we are, what we do, and why drones are taking off. Pun totally intended. Let's get into it. All right, so let's start with the basics. What's Violet Crown Aerial? Well, we're a small growing company that specializes in drone photography and videography. Think aerial shots of construction sites, real estate listings, marketing videos, you name it. The name Violet Crown actually comes from Austin's nickname, the Violet Crown City. If you've ever caught a sunset here, you know what I'm talking about. Those purple hues across the skyline, when you look west and you see the hills, that's where the name comes from. I've always loved technology and I've always loved storytelling. Drones kind of let me combine those two things in a way that's practical and creative and, let's be real, pretty dang cool. It started as a passion project, but now it's grown into this full-on business where we help other businesses stand out and succeed. I also have a FAA Part 107 certification, which for those of you that don't speak the drone lingo, means I'm a licensed drone pilot. So don't worry, this isn't just me flying a toy around. We're the real deal. So let's talk about drones and why they're everywhere these days. First off, in construction, you have these massive projects, right? Keep track of everything can be a nightmare. But with drones, you can get real-time updates, aerial progress shots, and detailed maps that help teams stay on schedule. It's kind of like having a bird's eye view of your project, literally. Then there's real estate. This one's fun because it's all about making properties pop. Aerial shots don't just show a house, they show the whole neighborhood, the yard, the vibe. And when you're selling $1 million home, that kind of stuff matters. So, it's kind of a big deal. And let's not forget marketing. If you've got a business, adding drone footage to your promotional videos is a total game changer. People stop scrolling when they see those epic aerial views. Trust me, our clients have seen it happen. Basically, drones aren't just gadgets, they're tools that solve problems and make a big impact. Now, I have to give a shout out to Austin because this city is a dream for a drone operator. You've got the downtown skyline, the Lady Bird Lake, hill country, all in one place pretty much. It's crazy how much beauty and variety there is to capture here. On top of that, Austin's booming with new construction projects. I mean, I drive around for 5 minutes and you'll see cranes everywhere. That's where we come in. Helping developers, architects, contractors, builders, you name it. We're trying to help everybody kind of tell their story with aerial visuals. And let's not forget, Austin's all about creativity and innovation. So people here love trying new things, and drones fit right into that vibe. All right. Yeah, I guess that's a wrap on episode 1. Thanks for hanging out with me and getting to know Violet Crown Aerial a little bit. If you're curious about what we do, want to see some of our work, or just feel like saying hi, check us out at violetcrownaerial.com. And hey, follow us on social media, Instagram, Facebook, all that good stuff, YouTube, you name it, we're on it. Next episode, we're going to try to dive into a little more behind the scenes stories and tips for businesses thinking about using drones. It's going to be fun, so stay tuned. Until then, keep looking up and stay creative. This is Jake Holmes, and you've been listening to the Violet Crown Perspective. Catch you next time.